How to create an account on DeepSeek AI. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on DeepSeek AI. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to your app store and download this application, that is DeepSeek AI Assistant. Make sure that it is original and it is made by Intelligent AI Assistant. So just click on open. And once you click on open, you'll be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. So here you can log in with your account. However, if you're logging in for the first time and you wish to create an account, there are two options by which you can create an account. First is sign in with Google and other is sign in with Apple. So you can sign in with any of these accounts and they will automatically create an account linking your DeepSeek account with either your Google or Apple. However, if you don't wish to use any of these options, you can just click on sign up and create a DeepSeek account. So just click on sign up, and once you click on sign up, you have to write down your email address, your password, confirm your password, and then they will send a code to that email address and you will type down that code over here and then create an account. After typing in the code, you're going to click on this button over here. That means that you confirm that you have read, consent, and agree to DeepSeek's terms of use and privacy and policy. So after that, just click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, you will be redirected to an interface like this. And that means you have successfully created an account on DeepSeek AI. And now you can enjoy asking them questions, anything over here, and they will answer that. So that was how you can create an account on DeepSeek AI. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.